Oh, can you smell it? The diarrhea dude is close.
I smell the ending of this. Time to change the dirty laundry.
You again? What the hell? Did I not tell you to go get ill and die?
You're trapped like a fart in an elevator, Plague. Give it up!
Never! I've got a vaccine for germs like you, full of autism, nausea, and flu. I call the shots and you call in sick. I squeeze the syringe till it goes click. Your skin gets pale and your fever rise. A smell of death, a swarm of flies. Cramps in your body, aches in your head. Time for you to get back to bed. Dirt and filth will soon prevail. Your screams of pain will be of no avail. Your bowels contract, you swell with gas. One big bottom breath will be your last. Now die!
Certainly not. It's out of power. That should fire up the catapult.
The mind used to pull a lot of great ideas out of this hat.
Can't blame the Plague for that one, though. Mine stopped paying attention to a lot of things around here. No way. And the hat machine works again.
Yeah, it's lots of fun to be hacked.
Round you go. Clean up your act, Prince Puke.
For the love of all that is filthy!
Let's get the mask to the gate so I can get my scrapbook back.
And save the mind!
Yeah, whatever.